Salut YouTube! Ça va, ça dit quoi? Ça fait longtemps. Épisode 3, Dispatch. Venez sur Twitch. Young X Rezi. Voilà, c'est ici que les choses se passent. Et puis voilà, on va commencer l'épisode 3, hein. Alors, là on vient de se refaire l'épisode 2. J'ai hâte de voir ce que ça nous réserve. Avec Invisigirl là, qui commence à faire un peu la folle. Mechaman. C'est moi, wesh. Dernier épisode, il s'est fini avec Aurore. On apprend que c'est la meuf de Phénoméman. Et vas-y, force à nous du coup.
What are you doing?
Brother, your warranty already void.
How can you just toss it around like that?
No worries, I'm pretty strong.
That's not what I'm saying.
How you got this thing inside your apartment anyways? Oh, super heavy, the bugger.
I disassembled it and took it in little pieces, which is what I thought you'd be doing.
And how long did that take you?
3 or... No, it was 4 days.
Oh,
I get 20 minutes.
4.
It just feels like you could be a
Royd.
little gentler with it. It is, you know, my whole fucking life.
Every time I walk in this place, I get sad. That not happen to you? No one ever tell you that?
Je suis
No one never
pauvre.
come over to tell you that.
No money.
I'm poor, Royd. Is that what you want to hear? Does that make you feel good?
Yeah, bro, you're not poor if you can keep this suit going. Like, where you sleep?
We're figuring that out.
You're figuring that out, huh? Shoot, even the beef got a bed.
Bien sûr.
This the type of apartment you see when the detective kicked the door in, you know? Shine the flashlight, serial killer shit.
All right, I get it. Can we focus on...
Where the Astro Pulse at?
Lost in the blast while I was flying. No clue where it landed. I spent a couple weeks after it happened trying to track it down.
It powered the whole suit.
Yeah, it's the only piece of the suit my dad didn't have schematics for. That gonna be a problem?
Un peu, je pense. Hein.
Mine not. We figure them out.
Big Roy prend les choses en main.
Oh, brother, everybody know about the Pulse. There's actually 2 wicked pieces of tech, huh? First you get the Astro Pulse, this genius design energy cell. But inside them, you get
Avec
the
le
stellar core.
Xiang.
Can I help?
No, brother. You good. What's crazy is when you mix the control fusion reactions with the plasma containment. Oh, brother.
Et il me parle
You
de
got a
trucs,
core
là.
on super crazy energized plasma state. Unreal stuffs. Like you caught one small star and chop them in a bottle. Genius.
So you can just make me a new one, right? Which is why it's not a problem.
The Astropulse super awesome, but we'll be alright.
Donc il peut pas nous en refaire un. Comment on va faire?
Maybe we go for lighter metals this time, huh? You know, I actually met your dad one time, long time ago. First time I come mainland. He'll catch me trying to steal stuff from Radio Shack. Then we talk tech stuff for like a whole hour. Then he would take me jail. That's how I ended up in a Phoenix program.
That's longer than any conversation I ever had with him.
Bummers.
Guess
Eh,
for you
Royd, c'est
building
trop le
astropulses,
sang.
there's not much time for talking to your son.
Not so sure about that.
I don't understand.
You see, there's gearheads, then there's science nerds. One kind garage, the other kind lab, you know. Your father, one good gearhead, but I just can't see how he'll make something like the Pulse. You know, science nerd.
How would you know this from talking to him once?
Cause I'm both.
Un.
I'm the one gonna fix your suit.
Mais qui es-tu vraiment, Royd, en fait?
That one, over there, that's your father's suit. We gonna make this one the Robert suit.
This is
Ah ouais,
incredible,
non, c'est
Royd.
bon. Il y a des gens qui ont pas voulu le checker, ce boug, hein. Non, moi, je comprends pas.
I hope you like it, brother.
Royd, I don't know what to say. Thank you. Thank you is what I need to say. This is unreal.
We make the
Grave.
man Mecca again.
Damn. Regarde, tu
Hey.
vas, chef.
Watch where you're going. Think he did that on purpose?
Eh, même si t'as un gros golem, nous on n'a pas peur de toi, hein. C'est qui on est. T'inquiète. Big Mecha Man.
Hey, Chase, I need a favor.
Favor? It's not enough of a favor getting you this job working with those stupid ass pieces of. Oh, who's this, huh? Who's this little guy?
His name's Beef, and he's the favor. You mind keeping an eye out? I feel bad leaving him at home, but I don't want anything happening to him.
Robert, I would literally let everyone here melt in eternal hell, including you, before anything happens to this dog.
No, what's your name, little guy?
My name's Beef and I'm naked.
Oh, no, I refuse to believe that's what he sounds like. Robert, you got a sec?
Sure, yeah.
Allez, à toute le dog.
What's up?
About the other day with Phenomenon.
Oh, yeah. How's dinner?
Oh, it was awkward. It's why I didn't want you to come. Phenomenon and I broke up.
Over
Ah!
Tokyo Dream Sushi?
Yeah, it's just the
Les gars, est-ce que ce serait pas notre moment de step in? Changement, monsieur l'arbitre. On rentre dans le match.
timing felt right. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta shake shit up. It felt
T'inquiète,
a
on va
little
chambouler, nous aussi.
impulsive, but maybe it was a long time coming.
Non,
Hey.
désolé.
I'm really sorry to hear that.
It is what it is.
Hein?
But that's actually
Huh.
not what I wanted to talk to you about. I was thinking about it over the weekend, and I'm going to cut someone from the Z team. Or you are, rather. Maybe I'm just looking to shake things up all over the place.
Hein?
Create a sense of urgency.
Ouais, j'ai
Great.
pas entendu,
Awesome.
mais j'aime bien
Yeah,
l'idée.
Let's do it.
Whoa, really? I'm glad you agree. I was toiling over it a
Pas
bit.
trop écouté en vrai.
The reality is, cutting someone towards the bottom of the leaderboards will show everyone we're serious.
I'll let the team know.
Elle avait dit qu'on va renvoyer quelqu'un.
Oh, I already
Putain.
did.
I suppose it'll be an interesting shift.
Cut day, huh? She ain't bad. Those three ain't shit.
Did you come over here to tell me that? Because it's almost exactly the information a leaderboard gives you.
Actually, smart ass, I came over to tell you that one of
Busy
your
Girl,
team
elle va
members is in need of
partir.
assistance.
Ah ouais, non, j'ai pas envie.
Sonar, you alright? Why are you sending a distress call when you haven't left the building?
Could you send a locksmith downstairs?
What happened?
Coop seduced me.
No. I said, hey, want to say something cool, and then handcuffed you to a squat rack.
But you said it with a hot voice, so I assumed you meant boobs.
Okay, team, I know Blazer mentioned someone's getting cut, but don't let that distract you from doing a good job out there. That's what you'll be judged on.
What a bunch of bullshit.
Sorry, what's bullshit?
Judgy bullshit.
How is that?
Yeah, only God can judge me.
Okay, false. I am judging you right now.
It's bullshit, because it's not like you gotta deal with this kind of bullshit.
Also false. Of course I'm being judged along with the rest of you. Do you not know what a job is? What the hell is going
None
on?
of us have had real jobs, dude. How is this a surprise to you?
All right, fine. Just ignore the pressure and do your jobs. You don't need to be
Comme
first.
d'hab.
You just
C'est une journée
can't be
tranquille,
last.
les gars.
What about me?
Can somebody go down to the gym and help Bat Boner?
Bad
Don't
Gunner.
ask.
Losing feeling in my hand, and not in a fun, kinky way.
Mais enfin, ok. Bon, on commence notre journée de travail. Jour 2. Premier appel. Il y a eu une altercation entre mon équipe et un monstre. Il reste des parties de son corps sur place. Retirer le reste du monde. Charger les morceaux du géant dans un camion. Pas de présence médiatique et civile. Envoyer quoi?
I think we can pull this off.
Et lui, il est fort, non? Donc ça devrait aller.
Yeah, no.
Mais pourquoi tu veux y aller?
I'm already going.
Mais... Bon bah j'ai pas le choix, je crois. Ils en font qu'à leur tête aujourd'hui, en gros.
Okay. Damn, seeing all my followers swarm together like this, it's intimidating.
If anything, she should be proud of the turnout.
Distril avec une chanson. C'est chanté, non?
Playing the hits works every time.
Voilà.
Uh-huh. You know, this is
Et du coup,
really
elle y va
fucking
toute seule.
immature, guys.
Serves them right. You let your guard down, you perish.
That's a pretty fucked way to live.
Eh,
Emphasis on
Invisi
live.
Girl, je crois que je vais...
Oh my god.
On va voir si t'as bien fait le
You do
boulot.
realize that sabotaging each other isn't going to guarantee you a spot on the team, right?
T'as de la chance, Invisi Girl, moi je te le dis, t'as de la chance. Parce que là, t'aurais loupé. Crois-moi, on t'aurait attendu au tournant. C'est bon, frère.
Drug deal happening at the
Il y a un trafic de drogue en cours à l'aéroport de Tons. Vous devriez envoyer la chauve-souris.
He seems right for the job.
On va
Problemo.
t'envoyer toi. Flambé, tu connais les drogues aussi, mon gars, non?
Drug bust.
Tu dois avoir
Fuck
l'habitude,
yeah.
t'es un
My
pétard.
two favorite things, drugs and boobs. Ah, come on! Nobody sabotages me except me.
Eh, vas-y.
That's more of an existential thing.
Why get in the pot in the first place?
I don't want to talk about it. Flambe is quite receptive to promotional language. He's a marketer's dream.
Ça commence à suffire de vous mettre des bâtons dans les roues, là.
Oh, don't you mess with me.
What the fuck did you do? I'm drowning in here.
Yes.
Je comprends pas, hein. Merde, la clé, elle est là-bas. Je suis trop con. Gauche, Baba.
Yeah, just take your fucking time.
C'est bon, j'arrive. Gauche, Baba. C'est pas un bouffon aussi flambé.
Drowning in a sensory deprivation tank is not the kind of wet I like to be, Robert.
KU avant le match. Des fans des Tortues sont arrivés, ont renversé un grill, déclenché une bagarre et caché plein de hot dogs.
You look different.
Si une mission a plus de 2 emplacements, certains emplacements peuvent conférer plus 2 à une stat et moins 1 aux autres quand Golem est assigné. Donc lui là il est beaucoup de vigueur. Et on va envoyer un bagarreur. Ce qui se couper toi tu te bagarres le mieux.
But deadly. Oh my fucking god.
I didn't know dogs could be so huge and menacing.
Man, that's the meanest animal I've ever met.
Ça va être quoi? Ça va être déplacement ça. Eh ça suffit de faire des coups en douce là.
I've evaded capture by 7 foreign agencies. I can evade a fucking dog.
71. Non ok c'est bon ça le fait.
I'll be right back. Just gotta go powder my cocaine.
Ok pause.
Dude,
On
you
a suivi
promised
les
me you
dealers
were
jusqu'à
gonna
leur
come back.
base près de la raffinerie. Passer à l'offensive, frapper leur base, apporter une bonne force de frappe, se préparer aussi à
Been
la...
a while since I had to call in a coke-related favor, but this shit was worth it for sure.
Oh, fuck you.
Eh, tu vas on a dit.
Okay.
What's a guy gotta do to rise up the ranks around here?
This is bullshit.
They keep trying to touch me with their weird fucking clammy hands.
These dudes are wearing like actual robes. Are they fucking wizards?
Fais preuve de violence. Mais en fait ça veut dire qu'ils vont saboter tout le temps. Merde.
Ugh, I need a shower.
Blessé. Eh, vas-y.
Impressed by this, if I wasn't in ever-increasing pain.
That's the power of sound, baby.
Ça va être constitution, ça, mais il va être blessé, lui aussi. Intelligence. C'est trop grave. Ouais, on a de la chance, hein. Moi, je vous le dis, on a de la chance aujourd'hui. Et toi, prends un point de combat. Golem. Allez, reprends. Comme ça, toi, t'es carré en vigueur. Ok, on a 2 héros. Et ma maman vient de se faire arnaquer par quelqu'un qui disait travailler pour vous. On voyait juste une personne. Ça y est. Non, là, si on le fait pas, c'est grave. Ok, c'est bon. Facile.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all, at all.
Allez, en combat, une Visigirl. Et toi, qu'est-ce qu'on va bien pouvoir t'augmenter? Allez. Prends un 5 en force. Ça va être mon petit bouc musclé, lui. Vous avez quelqu'un qui peut arrêter un glissement de terrain? J'arrive dans une seconde, madame.
As hot and threatening as that sounds, I'm not going anywhere. We're tied for the bottom. With fucking Invisigal.
Not for long.
Ah, mais ils se font des coups en douce pour pas être virés. Son arme m'a poussé dans la piscine pendant un cours d'aquagym. Il veut pas me laisser partir, je teste l'eau, il est vieux. Putain.
Next time, don't promise a man boobs.
No one promised you anything.
Éclabousse-les et tire-toi. Donc ça, soit c'est force, soit c'est intelligence, soit c'est mobilité, donc ça va. 5.
Splashing. Not the most elegant solution, but I was desperate.
Par là, une victime rassemblait des infos. 44%. Fumant.
Don't fucking try me today.
Eh, Prisme.
What happened?
She's fine. Just walked into my sword with her face.
Ah.
I don't believe in punching women, but I do believe in punching demons.
Yeah, try it.
Today, Torrance. Tomorrow, also Torrance, probably. Like, statistically speaking. Tailgate Brawl.
La bagarre d'avant-match se transformait en chasse à la mascotte. Rattraper les fans shiters. Protéger Terrence la tortue à tout prix. Attends, envoyez toi et quelqu'un de rapide.
What's up, big guy?
Hey, what's up, little lady?
Eh Robert, je suis presque sur le... Je l'ai arnaqué au bout du fil. Ok. On va pirater les choses. Merde, faut que je me dépêche.
Alright, let's see where this asshole is.
Wesh.
Warmer. Okay, not over here. Nearly there.
Bah. Mais chef, il y a un problème là, non? Ok. Bouchon au parking. Le parking Clépin. Ça a pas bougé depuis genre 1 heure. Redirige la... Remonter le moral. Allez, Prisma.
Going.
Et toi aussi, Courpif.
Ooh, okay, I see you. Picking from the
Le
cream of
supertrain
the crop.
Venco va percuter un wagon à l'arrêt dans quelques minutes. Arrêtez le train avant le choc.
Whatever. Swift as the night. Sharp as my knife.
Faut vous dépêcher là. Hein. Bon ça va, ils sont plus de coups de pute là, j'ai l'impression. Dans le bon. Dans le bon. Dans le bon, mais... Kobe. Et toi, gros tas de boue, évite de me parler d'ailleurs, j'avais oublié. Pète un plomb. Allez, prends ton 1 en intelligence, toi. Facile. Oula. Pas passer loin quand même.
I'm on a roll. First round's on me tonight.
Prisme. Charisme. Fuck. C'est pas passé loin. C'est vraiment pas passé loin pour le... Après une réussite flambeau, gagne plus 100 en combat, plus 100 en mobilité, cet effet se cumule, les bonus sont 1. Et flambé, c'est le meilleur en fait. Pour les auteurs repérés, il se dirige vers la ruelle près d'eux.
I'll behave.
À toi de jouer, hein.
Maybe. Stay out of my way. Fuck off.
What are you doing, Invisigal?
Not getting cut?
It's like you said, the way to win this leaderboard
Game is to not lose, right?
Yeah, that's not what I said.
I'm pretty sure that's what you said.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Chef? C'est encore lui! En fait, c'est vraiment magique l'autre.
Yeah, so the perp that just ran by was lightning struck. This is now the second time that you let him get away.
No shit. That's crazy.
Wesh!
Whoa, chill out!
Eh, rigole pas, Malvelam.
I'd normally say cut her, but yeah, the way things are going, I'd cut the whole damn team. You need a reset, Robbie.
All Z team back to base and in the conference room in 20 minutes.
Pardon! Mais j'ai jamais progressé, moi, à ce niveau-là, avec une équipe pareille, frère. Comment je suis censé m'en sortir?
Anyone else think this is a waste of time?
Yeah, I know.
Like, what are we doing? What the fuck is the point of this?
I'd rather be somewhere else.
I had 1,000 better things to do. There is so many different things I can watch.
I was about to hit the gym to give Teresa a suits for workout.
Can everybody take a seat so we can get started?
And I'm missing it because of this garbage here.
Hey, can I get your attention, please? I would like to get started. So
Wesh!
Oh, looks like this motherfucker's got the power of flight.
Oh, Bobby boy! Watch where you're going, huh?
Oh, it serves you right.
Hey. I understand you're big, but you need to be considerate of the people around you.
Pardon!
Have a seat.
I'll sit on the floor.
Suit yourself.
What's
Damn, Robert
going on?
Robertson the third.
Oh, I offered him a seat.
C'est nous le boss ici maintenant, faut que tout le monde soit au courant.
So we getting this party started?
Yeah, what's this shit about? Let's go. Come on. Fucking wasting my time. Let's go.
Okay, as you know, by the end of today, one of you will be cut from the Z team.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, you said that already.
Cut me from a job I didn't want in the first place.
Miss Blazer, maybe if you gave us a dispatcher who knew what they were doing, you wouldn't have to throw no one out.
Hey, Nikki Mirage, I'm standing right here. You can talk to me.
I wasn't talking to you, bitch. Which weak-ass superhero team did you come from? Fucking Geek Squad?
Doesn't matter where I'm from, Cardi C. What matters is I'm here to figure out who stays and who goes.
Yeah,
Dis
chill out,
bien.
lady. Ha ha. Let the man talk.
Okay, whoa. You talking shit, you hipster motherfucker? Over here looking like Mumford fucked all his sons.
That was funny. See? We're just busting balls.
Keep talking. You won't have your tiny inbred balls left to bust.
Damn.
Next time. Or there won't be a next time.
Don't threaten me, you butter knife bitch.
Okay, I'll make this quick. Most people will look around this room and see a bunch of villains. Not even the super kind, just plain ass, run-of-the-mill, vanilla fucking villains. But that's not what I see. Because lucky for you,
Talk to
I'm
me.
not most people. When I look around this room, what I see is potential.
Potentiel.
in the end.
Unfortunately for you, it's a curse. Because there isn't a thing in the universe that goes more wasted than potential. And despite how common it is, no one seems to forget. It's what they whisper when you leave the room. Oh, so-and-so had so much potential. It follows you forever. I'm here to help
Dis
you
bien,
with the
Robert
curse of
Robertson.
potential by getting you to fucking do something with it. You're all part of the Phoenix program. Any of you know what a Phoenix is?
Ooh, city in Arizona.
Yeah, the sweltering ballsack of America.
Nah, if Florida's the dick, then Louisiana's gotta be the ball sack. Just, position.
The Phoenix,
Sorry.
according to legend, is a beautiful bird of prey that was so tired of its immortality, it tricked the sun god into dropping a spark on its nest to set it
C'est
ablaze.
vous le phénix.
Burning it to
Hey yo. Bien ou quoi?
But instead of dying, the Phoenix emerged from ash.
Vous
Reborn.
êtes des phénix.
All of you in this room are phoenixes, and it's obvious what that means. But for you dumb ones, I'll spell it out. The phoenix symbolizes redemption.
Redemption.
It's what you're here for.
Non,
It's
c'est
what connects
c'est
everyone
dispatch
in
en
this
mode
room
c'est nous
burn
ça.
up who you
Lui là,
were
celui qui
to
parle c'est nous.
become
Attends,
who
faut que je
you
me
were
concentre.
meant to be.
Attends, pause. Du coup, nous, on est lui là. Et en gros, avant, on était un super-héros, sauf que Asie, on s'est fait casser la gueule, on a pris notre retraite. Et maintenant, c'est nous, on envoie les super-héros en mission.
This is also a lame-ass band my lame-ass roommate listens to.
You're late.
I like that band.
You would. What are you talking about? I was here the whole time. I turned invisible, genius, remember?
Great. Then you know we're cutting someone, and you, Miss Hot Topic Sale, are at the bottom of the
C'est trop la
leaderboards.
frappe.
Have a better second shift.
Et genre, c'est un jeu à choix et tout. Et genre, dans l'histoire, tu peux choisir. Enfin, bref, dinguerie.
We all know you'll just be working the roulette wheel.
That's a croupier, you idiot.
The fuck's a croupier? I'm just saying, you're a degenerate gambler.
Et là, c'est l'épisode 3. On a fait les deux premiers avant. Ils sont sur YouTube si tu veux aller voir. Merde, on est reparti.
Back there, Robert.
Thanks.
All
Merci.
right, everyone. You heard the man. Get out there and do
Charisme
some stellar
infini.
dispatching.
Ouais, j'ai mis les rediffs sur YouTube. C'est bon, je commence enfin à alimenter la chaîne.
My client requires protection while he does some shopping.
Mon client a besoin d'une protection pendant qu'il fait ses courses. Protéger clients contre des agents dictateurs internationaux. Être prêt à repousser toutes les attaques. Protéger ce qu'on envoie. Pour pif plutôt. hein. Allez mon petit gars, on va faire du boulot.
Hey, busy. I just got Robert's joke.
What joke?
Offered me a seat? I just got it. That was funny.
Protéger, être prêt à
Well, that was like
repousser.
3 hours ago.
76 dans le bon. Facile.
All right. Well done. That right there is Phoenix material.
Merci, Courpif. Et t'as vu, c'est stylé, genre, Avec les héros que tu prends, plus ils font de missions, plus ils gagnent d'XP, plus tu peux les améliorer et tout. Enfin, vas-y, trop bien. Toi, on va te donner quoi? Combat, hein. Toi, tu es un bon petit bagarreur. Nicolas vient de me passer devant un concert de Utopie. Ça fait 12 heures que j'attends. Allez, on va envoyer une artiste.
Basic, bad bitch. You've got super hearing and you use it to listen to a girl who knows 4 chords and can't write a song to save her life.
Say what you want. It's catchy.
Unbelievable. Yo, Mal, what kind of music you got in your heavy rotation right now?
You know, honestly, it's a lot of ska, but I had like a really big techno yodeling phase recently too.
On dit ce que c'est une vraie star, voilà, c'est pour ça. T'as like les vidéos, merci mon gars, ça fait plaisir. Poussou, Lorenzo.
Alright, well for me.
Dis bien Prisme, montre-lui c'est quoi une vraie star. Avec ta puff 9000 là. Alors mon chef, qu'est-ce qu'on va t'augmenter toi? Toi tu vas être intelligent, t'as vu. Une sorte de secte recrue devant mon magasin, ils font peur à tout le monde. Une secte. On va t'envoyer toi frère si c'est une secte. Et vas-y, un beau parleur. Vas-y, j'ai envoyé flamber comme ça, il va prendre un peu d'XP. En plus, si j'envoie mal et tout, ça va le faire vu que c'est un démon, ils vont kiffer. Perturbation. Mais personne... Eh les gars, je suis trop fort. C'est moi, je vais faire ce travail plus tard. Merci. Merci mal. Flambé. Toi, ce serait bien que tu sois... Ah, un petit vigueur ou un petit mobilité. Vas-y, mobilité. Ah, mais t'inquiète, là, je vais stream longtemps de ouf. J'ai 3-4 épisodes à faire, là. Là, je suis parti pour je sais pas combien de temps. Mais vas-y, dors bien, mon petit Lorenzo. Fais de beaux rêves. Rêve de moi. Toi, qu'est-ce qu'on va te mettre? Parce que toi, t'es bien un peu partout. Parce qu'attends. Combat. Protection. Parlotte. Dès que je trouve du taf, je prends un PC. Il y a moi, je fais des montages. Mais même moi, là, ce mois-ci, je vais commencer à apprendre à faire du montage, là. Ça y est, des miniatures et tout aussi, il faut. Comme ça, je vais faire des TikTok. Enfin, vas-y, non, c'est bon. Qui peut me stopper? Visiteur, toi, c'est mobilité. En vrai, je vais la laisser un peu homogène. Enfin, prends en mobilité. Mal, elle va rester homogène. Je t'apprends. Vas-y, moi, je suis chaud de ouf, hein. Parce que vas-y, je comptais faire avec vidéo YouTube et tout, mais bon. Mais si t'es chaud, ouais, vas-y, on se fera ça. Arrêtez les combats clandestins au sous-sol de Giga Burger. Putain, je suis un ouf. Anticiper la résistance des membres du... Donc, nous faut un mec avec du cerveau. Toi, tu vas y aller. Busy Girl. Et... Vas-y, coupez, je l'ai pas utilisé encore. Mon client a besoin d'une protection lors du déjeuner avec le gouverneur. Protégé, on va t'envoyer toi et Courpif, hein. Et on est dans le bon, on a 3 héros. Non, c'est bon, c'est géré, hein. Notre shift, il est géré. 5 viewers. Tu mens. Moi, j'ai marqué 3, là. Bah, salut aux personnes. Installez-vous, abonnez-vous. Mettez-vous à l'aise. Damn, 97. Ouh. Merci pour l'XP, ça fait plaisir. Vous, comment ça s'est passé? Protéger le client, 100%. Allez, on enchaîne. On enchaîne. Et ils sont reposés direct en plus. On raconte que le tournoi a déménagé. Coudreux. vas-y. J'arrive pas à lire. Tu vas où, couper? Chef?
I've learned from my sources that the next tournament will be held at the refinery in 1
Le prochain
hour.
tournoi se déroulera à la raffinerie dans 1 heure. Participer au tournoi ou interrompre le... On participe, wesh.
Send me in to compete.
Allez.
I'll win so
Vas-y, Courpif. Va leur montrer c'est comment.
Let's learn to fly. Well, officially.
Alors apprendre à voler informationnellement légalement. Ton héros volant a besoin d'une licence de vol. On va envoyer couper. Couper en plus elle est rapide, c'est-à-dire elle va...
Maybe this whole leaderboard thing goes away.
Bribes? Doubtful. But how do you think they'd feel about menacing threats?
No.
Desperate fucks.
Merde, Coupé elle est partie faire son stage. Eh mon gars. 5. Non.
I think I'm gonna use me head.
Coupif ne reçoit aucun malus de blessure et il ne peut pas tomber par terre. Incroyable. Putain, j'aurais pas dû envoyer Coupé, j'ai le seum. Coupé vole vers l'endroit de la mission réduisant grandement le temps de trajet. Bon, moi ça c'est bien. Mais je suis con. Ouais, enfin, je sais pas, on verra. Protéger client.
New me? Fucking rocks.
Et Malvé. Être prêt à repousser toutes les attaques.
Yeah, later. On it.
Been at Cliffside once. Didn't work out.
Mais comment ça, il pète un plomb, le golem? Et si le SDH n'est pas d'accord avec moi, je les invite à venir. Nous c'est vraiment notre adresse. Passer dans l'entre-deux et participer à un débat amical. On va prendre quelqu'un qui sait parler, quoi, qui sait tchatcher. Allez.
I could fit you in.
Allez les beaux gosses. Putain, Courpif, j'ai le seul qu'il ait perdu sa baston là.
Position at the top of the leaderboard.
Don't be jealous.
I took a little peek at your file. Apparently
Défi
you
l'assassin.
contain more fires than anyone else on the team.
I'm like a psychic man. I can sense where they're going to be before they happen.
Facile.
Listen, there's a lot of potential here for a good housing insurance scheme. You just need a middleman. I could be your guy.
Ah, interesting. You know, if I'm ever in the market for a rat with wings,
J'ai juste en livre si quelqu'un a
I
besoin
know where to
d'entraînement
find you.
héroïque supplémentaire. Et toi, t'as besoin de... Toi, t'as besoin d'héroïsme, hein? Ah bah, tu veux pas.
On the move.
Ah. Le chiffre va bientôt se terminer. Allez, tout le monde. Coup de foudre repéré. Les urgences dans la rue. On n'entend plus rien. Appréhender coup de foudre. Se dépêcher avant qu'il ne s'enfile. Ne pas le sous-estimer. Frapper fort. Couper.
Close your eyes. You're not gonna like what you see
Malvé.
anyway.
Invisi-girl.
Once again, Invisigal.
Allez lui péter les dents. Oh merde.
Fuck off.
Merde.
Good to go.
Help! I'm at the Torrance Bank and there's these guys with masks and guns.
Fuck. Bon bah...
What's it gonna be this time?
Mon gars, t'es tout seul là. Hein.
Hey, anybody got eyes on some
Putain.
I'm starving.
Sur une mission à 4 ou moins emplacements, Courpif crée un emplacement exclusivement pour lui. Quand Courpif est blessé, il obtient plus d'en combat, plus d'en vigueur, son temps de repos est réduit. Bah tous les jours. Tous les jours. Mais par contre, Grolem là, ça va être la merde un peu.
You sure we don't work on commission?
« 81 ! Non, si on réussit pas, c'est une dinguerie, ok.
Mission accomplished.
Invisiker, l'invisiker, le... Toi, c'est la mobilité, hein. On t'augmente un peu de charisme. Non, vas-y, tu sais quoi? Intelligence. Et trace coupée. Ok, c'est à moi de jouer, parce que sinon, là, c'est foutu, hein. Je pense que la mission, c'est GG, si j'interviens pas. On va se louper, là. Robert Robertson. Tu te fous de ma gueule. On va pas commencer à faire des trucs comme ça, hein. Chef, on va pas commencer à faire des trucs comme ça, hein. Putain! Putain! Chef. Fou! Ouais, c'était dur! Oh, je commence à stresser! Oh. Heureusement qu'on a un cœur de malade, hein. Heureusement qu'on a un cœur de malade, tiens, vigueur.
Huh. Pretty breathtaking work back there.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. This shit is weird. It's like we're working, what's the word? As a team.
Uh-huh. Baby, that's got a name. It's teamwork.
Teamwork!
Like a sex thing?
What type of sex thing would that be?
Tu vas où, toi, encore?
Really, safe for work.
Elle est partie où? Agent assistant, boum!
Damn, boy, that's some fucking teamwork, alright?
C'est nous, wesh! C'est bon, on a enfin pris du grade. Intelligence. Toi, Sonard, j'ai bien envie de te rendre très intelligent. T'as vu? Comment ça, 2 échecs?
Invisigal, where are you going?
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait, elle, encore? Quand tu fumais des gens dans un parc pour enfants, là. Ah non, ça, la fume club.
There you go. One more strike against me. You gotta get rid of somebody, right? I'm making it easy for you.
No, you're quitting. You're not making it easy for me. You're making it easy for you.
Dis bien, Robert.
Get it? Some people are born to be heroes. I'm not one of them. I tried. Just wasn't meant to be.
Meant to be? What are you talking about?
Blazer, Phenomena Man, they have hero powers. Strong out there for all to see.
Flying through the sky. Nothing
Eh
to
ben.
hide.
What's your point?
I have fucking villain powers. I can
Pas
turn
du tout,
invisible
elle
and
pète un plomb, elle, ou
skulk in the
quoi?
shadows. My powers let me steal shit and watch famous people fuck. Being a villain is my fate. It's in the fucking stars. In the same way that blonde Blazer was always meant to be a hero.
L'instant, c'est des conneries.
There's no such thing as fate. It's bullshit. It's just something we cling to because we think we're the main character of life. We're not.
We're a bunch of flesh blobs with depression on a floating rock.
T'aurais pas dit ça comme ça,
Is
mais...
that supposed to be comforting?
Yeah, because no one's paying attention if you want to switch things up.
You've already been a hero, okay? You have no idea what I'm dealing with.
Oh, get out of here. At least you were born with powers. I don't have shit. So according to your dumbass theory, I should be an accountant.
Elle a pas tort.
You aren't far off.
Fate, destiny, not having powers, seasonal depression, none of these things kept me
From being a hero before. And they won't keep me from being a hero again. Oh,
Mais on
my
l'a arrêté,
God.
lui.
You want to talk about fate?
That lightning-struck fuck that's been on a spree is 2 blocks from your location. Maybe it's third time's the charm.
I told you. I'm out.
You really want to let this idiot get one over on you a third time?
What makes you think it'd be any different?
Un dernier pour la route.
Get one for the road. You're still on the clock. Fuck this guy up. Walk out with your head held high. Finish in style.
Finished by getting zapped so hard I pissed my pants?
Oh.
That style?
I promise I won't tell anyone if you pissed your pants, no matter the reason.
Or are you just gonna sit there and subject kids to secondhand smoke?
Et jette ta clope à la poubelle, hein, on doit.
Don't do it. Don't fucking give that kid a cigarette.
This is where I bummed it from. What's the address?
Shut the fuck up!
Merde. Et on l'envoie pas sur un truc facile là en fait, Invisi Girl.
You ain't worried about a hero crashing the party?
Load that up. Where's your boy? Shit.
Ok. Tu vois Invisi Girl, t'es un putain d'héros, frère.
That you, donut girl. You sure you want to do this again?
Invisigal, are you alright?
Yeah, fine. Just help me find this fucker.
Got him. He's at your 5 o'clock.
It's not fair that you can see me, but I can't see you.
I'm flying blind here. I can't see anything. Great. Give me a second to tap into this.
Ok. Je fais vite, Invisi Girl, la vie de ma mère. Regarde. Juste pitié, pas les trucs invisibles encore. Ça, c'est trop
Alright.
dur.
A little more tricky.
Sure, take your time.
Shh. Quiet.
Hein?
Oh, fuck.
What? What is it?
Antivirus. There you are.
Ok. Ah, je pensais qu'il fallait aller le combattre, moi je suis trop con.
Got it. I can see again.
Well, that makes one of us. So where the hell is he?
I can't see him from this camera. Let me try get another one online.
Encore.
Shit.
On va le brain.
Still got it.
Merde, j'ai fait un truc pour rien. Hop. Et comme ça, il peut pas venir. Allez vite, Invisi Girl nous attend.
He's at your 7.
That wasn't so hard, was it?
He's heading your way.
Invisigal, I got a plan.
Merde, qu'est-ce qu'on s'apprête à faire là? J'ai pas compris moi. Hein.
Fuck you.
Quoi?
You've got to be kidding me.
Wesh, toujours plus long le code, chef. Damn! Wesh, c'est un code Wi-Fi, frère.
Got it.
C'est si long.
On the count of 3, I'm going to turn on the main overhead lights, which should temporarily blind him.
Giving you a chance to take him out.
1,
2,
3.
Fuck!
Allez, invisible. Oh merde. Monte-lui. Rendez les bijoux de la couronne.
I'm no hero. Fuck, no, let me try that again. Now you see me? Wait, what about lights out, Thundercuck?
That's the one. Would have been better if you said it first.
Right, because lightning, thunder, struck cookbook so close.
Non, c'était bien Invisible. Tu vois quand tu veux. Big héroïne.
Hey, Bengal boy! More like Bengal bitch!
Or bitch boy!
Hey, Bengal bitch boy, fuck you!
Way
to go!
Why are those assholes not being assholes?
Isn't this what you were going for?
Yeah, but I didn't think it would work. I don't get it.
So, this one keeps the comm line one-on-one. This one connects to the whole team. And this one goes out to the entire branch.
Fuck.
Good job. Yeah, you got off light. One dispatcher broadcast the details of his botched circumcision.
Ah, merde.
Did you mean all that? You really think she has a shot? All that stuff about fate sounded good, but I
Tout le
don't
monde
know
a
if
une
you were
chance.
just saying what you thought she needed to hear.
Yeah, everyone has a shot. People are who they choose to be. If Invisigal wants this,
Prêche la
she
bonne
has to
parole,
commit.
Robert
It's
Robinson,
too easy
the
to quit when you're
third.
not good at something.
It's a steep learning curve.
Yeah, that was great.
This mission was textbook.
Genuinely, dude, I'm really happy for you.
So, it's between Sonar and Coop.
What? That's not no. Invisigal's still at the bottom of the board.
Oh, the one in the bullpen? That thing updates every hour. Invisigal moved up. Catching lightning struck really gave her a huge boost.
Bangle boy, really?
The donut shop escape.
C'est Coupé
slipping past
ou
Malevola,
Sonar?
and the jewelry store really bumped up the wanted levels.
It's like missing the free throw on purpose to get the putback.
Yeah, exactly. I don't watch football, but I get it. Look,
Check.
I know I'm not supposed to
Basket,
play
non?
favorites here, but even if she was on the bottom, I'm not sure I'd have let you cut her.
Then it's a good thing she's not.
Yeah. So, these two are now tied
Non,
for last
mais
place.
pardon, mais Sonar il bouge, hein.
Who do we cut? Sonar or Coop? It's your call. I support it all the
Non,
way.
mais Coupé, elle est trop forte, wesh. Assassin tarlé ouf, elle peut voler. En plus, bah oui, je viens de l'entraîner à voler, frère. Sonar, il peut pas voler. Les Sonar, ça dégage. En plus, il a mangé
Sonar
mes
it
Twinks la
is.
dernière fois.
He had to use his distress beacon before he even left the building today, so I'm not sure it's gonna work.
What happened?
He thought he was gonna see boobs and got tricked.
You somehow gave me too much detail and not enough detail in one sentence. All right, I'll get started on the paperwork.
I'll let him know.
Ciao, hein. Mais Coupé est trop fort.
Hey, Robert. Great work today.
Non, non, Coupé, elle est trop forte. On la garde avec nous, hein. Ah, merde.
So, I'm sure you know why you're here.
Nah, not at all, man. No clue. What's up? What's going on, Robbie?
You, well, I'm cutting you.
What? No. What? Invisigals. So she should be getting cut. She's on the bottom.
Non, ça
Not
me fait trop
anymore,
de la
actually.
peine.
Her last dispatch put her above you.
Non.
Hey, they're gonna call security.
This isn't over.
It actually is. Sorry it didn't work out.
Watch your back, Robert.
Why is this? What? Did you?
No. You must have just
Oh,
locked it.
Sorry, force of. Fuck you!
Putain, non, Sonar, il fait de la peine. Putain, moi je voulais renvoyer personne, wesh.
You accessorizing?
You could call it that.
Did he try to choke you with that or something?
No, he just left it.
You're lucky he just stopped at the tie. Hey, check it out. I've been doing some accessorizing myself.
You're spoiling him.
Nonsense. Talking about.
You ready to go home, bud?
Alors? Wouhou! Bien joué, Invisi Girl. 22. Ah non, elle est pas. Si, elle est 22. C'est bien, Mago.
I still would have cut you.
Well, no one fucking asked you, old man.
Lucky fucking for you.
Thanks.
I got you. I got you, Invisi Girl. C'est pour moi, t'inquiète. Ok, épisode 3, incroyable. Ah non, ça me donne le sourire. Je suis heureux, voilà, faut le dire, je suis heureux. Dispatch, merci. Merde. Putain, par contre, j'ai trop le seum hein, pour Sonar. Sonar qui s'en va, j'ai la haine en vrai. Mais entre Sonar et Coupé, frère, bien sûr que je l'ai renvoyé Sonar. Coupé, elle est trop forte. Wesh. En plus, on lui a appris à voler il y a 5 minutes. Donc ça y est. Bon, analysons un peu ce qu'on a fait. 37% des joueurs et voix avaient renvoyé Sonar 1. Ça veut dire que tout le monde a renvoyé Coupé. Oui. Ça, c'est vraiment dingue. 76% des joueurs et voix avaient lancé une chaise sur le golem. Force à lui. Moi, c'est lui que je voulais virer ça. Si j'aurais dû en choisir un, c'était Golem. 99. Bah ouais, les 1% là, faut vraiment être un fils de pute. Hein. 64% des joueurs, vous êtes des phénix. Vous êtes des phénix. Destin, c'est des conneries. Seuls les 5 fois, sur les 5 fois où un héros a été saboté, vous avez aidé à s'échapper sans blessure 3 fois. 43% des joueurs avaient envoyé Croupif seul au... Bah ouais, mais les coupés, elle est en train de s'entraîner, chef. 89% des joueurs et vous avez réussi à... Ok. Donc ils pouvaient vraiment canner, en fait, le bout de l'international, là, qui a besoin de protection. Votre héros le plus envoyé est Sonar. Arrêtez, vous allez me faire pleurer. Et frère, je viens de le renvoyer, ils me disent des trucs comme ça. Sonar. Ah ouais, non. Sonar, tu vas me manquer, hein. On t'oublie pas. On ne t'oubliera jamais, crois-moi. Merci pour les travaux, chef. Vous avez envoyé le héros parfait pour la mission 2 fois. Vous avez réussi une mission de justesse 2 fois. Bon. YouTube. On se retrouve pour l'épisode 4. Venez sur Twitch. Abonnez-vous à la chaîne YouTube. Likez, partagez, commentez, tout ça. Puis venez sur Twitch, hein. C'est ici que c'est le mieux, sans mentir. Bon, allez. On va faire l'épisode 4 de suite. Donc, venez sur Twitch, YouTube. Allez, ciao.